Hey there, food lovers! We created the juiciest watermelon cheesecake ever. This dessert is a stunning showstopper for barbecues or pool parties, guaranteed to impress friends and family. It's a light and fresh dessert that balances sweet and tangy flavors. Each bite bursts with summer as creamy cheesecake meets juicy watermelon. Summer tastes amazing. Every bite brings joy and laughter. Let's make this summer unforgettable, one slice at a time. Let's get prepped. Before we dive into the delicious world of watermelon cheesecake, it's essential to have everything ready and within reach. Preparation is the secret to a smooth, stress-free baking experience, so let's ensure you're set up for success from the start. Here's what you'll need for this epic cheesecake adventure. Gather all your ingredients and tools so you can focus on the fun part, making and enjoying your masterpiece. For the crust, you'll need classic graham cracker crumbs, which give that perfect crunchy base. Melted butter is essential to bind everything together and add rich flavor. And don't forget a bit of sugar to sweeten the deal and balance the flavors. This trio creates a crust that's both sturdy and delicious. For the creamy filling, grab 2 blocks of full-fat cream cheese, softened to room temperature. This ensures a silky smooth texture and that classic cheesecake taste. You'll also need granulated sugar for sweetness, a couple of eggs to help set the filling, and a splash of vanilla extract for that warm, inviting aroma. Add a generous scoop of sour cream or Greek yogurt for a subtle tang and extra creaminess. This little touch makes a big difference in flavor and texture. Now for the watermelon magic, about 2 cups of fresh, seedless watermelon puree. Simply blend ripe watermelon cubes until smooth and vibrant. This is what gives our cheesecake its unique, summery twist. Unflavored gelatin is key for setting the watermelon layer, ensuring it holds its shape and slices beautifully. Don't skip this step. For that signature watermelon look, add a few drops of red or pink food coloring. This will make your cheesecake pop and look just like a real watermelon slice. For the shiny glaze on top, you'll need more watermelon puree and a bit of sugar. This layer adds a burst of fresh flavor and a beautiful finish. And don't forget another packet of unflavored gelatin to help the glaze set perfectly. Mini chocolate chips make the cutest seeds, adding a playful touch and a hint of chocolate in every bite. Fresh mint leaves are perfect for garnish, bringing a pop of color and a refreshing aroma to your finished cheesecake. Take a moment to gather and organize all your ingredients before you start. This mise en place approach keeps your kitchen tidy and your mind focused. No last-minute scrambling for missing items, just smooth sailing from start to finish. With everything in place, you're ready to create something truly special. This is going to be fun, creative, and absolutely delicious. Let's make some magic together. Your watermelon cheesecake journey starts now. Time to build our base. The crust is the unsung hero of any cheesecake, providing that irresistible crunch and buttery flavor that holds everything together. Let's make sure we get it just right. Start by grabbing a medium-sized bowl. Add 1.5 cups of finely crushed graham cracker crumbs to ensure they're evenly ground for the best texture. Next, sprinkle in a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. The sugar not only sweetens the crust, but also helps it crisp up beautifully in the oven. Now, pour in 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir everything together until the mixture resembles wet sand. The butter is what binds the crumbs and sugar, creating that perfect, cohesive base. Take your time mixing. Every crumb should be coated for even baking. Pour the mixture into a 9-inch spring-form pan. Use a flat-bottomed cup or glass to press the crumbs firmly and evenly across the bottom. This step is key for a sturdy crust that won't crumble when you slice your cheesecake. If you want that classic cheesecake look, press some of the crumbs up the sides of the pan. This not only looks beautiful, but also gives every bite a bit of that delicious crust. Slide the pan into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and bake for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust turns a lovely golden color and your kitchen fills with a warm, toasty aroma. Once baked, set the pan on a wire rack and let the crust cool completely. This step is crucial. If you rush and add the filling while the crust is still warm, you risk cracks and a soggy base. A cool crust means a flawless cheesecake later. Gently touch the crust to make sure it's at room temperature before moving on. What you have now is a sturdy, crunchy foundation that's ready to support all that creamy filling. It should hold together when you slice it, giving you that perfect bite every time. Take a moment to enjoy the aroma. The buttery, sweet scent is a promise of the delicious dessert to come. This is the moment where anticipation builds. Once your crust is completely cool, you're ready to move on to the next step. the creamy, dreamy filling. See? Making a perfect crust isn't hard. It just takes a little care and patience. This golden, buttery crust is the perfect start to our summer cheesecake masterpiece. Imagine it paired with fresh berries or a tangy lemon filling. Absolutely irresistible. Now let's move on to the best part, the filling. This is where your cheesecake really comes to life and where you can get creative with flavors and textures. You nailed the crust. Seriously, great job. With this solid foundation, your cheesecake is already off to a fantastic start. Let's keep the momentum going. This is where the magic really begins. Pour that luscious, creamy filling into your perfectly prepared crust and get ready for a dessert that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Ready for creamy perfection? Let's do it! Let's dive into the delicious world of creamy filling. Beat softened cream cheese until smooth. Gradually add 1 cup of sugar, mixing until light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, mixing just until combined. Stir in sour cream or Greek yogurt and a splash of vanilla. Don't overmix, just blend until smooth. Pour the filling over your cooled crust and smooth the top. Tap the pan gently to release air bubbles. This is your blank canvas for the watermelon layer. The texture should be silky and rich. You're almost there. The hardest part? Not sneaking a taste. Now let's add that juicy pink layer. What makes this truly unforgettable? Let's dive in and find out. Time for the watermelon. Wow! Warm 1 cup of watermelon puree with a 1/4 cup of sugar in a saucepan. Don't boil. Bloom 1 packet of gelatin in 2 tablespoons of cold water for 5 minutes. Stir bloomed gelatin into the warm puree until dissolved. Add a few drops of food coloring for that perfect pink. Let the mixture cool until just warm. Slowly pour over the cheesecake filling, using the back of a spoon for an even layer. You now have a gorgeous 2-tone cheesecake. Don't bake this layer yet. First, we bake the main cheesecake. This step is pure summer magic. The color is stunning, the flavor is fresh. Let's get this beauty in the oven. You're about to impress everyone. Are you excited to bake? Let's get started and whip up something delicious. The masterpiece is taking shape. Let's get this baking party started. Wrap your pan in foil and set it in a larger pan. Pour hot water halfway up the sides for a gentle water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 50-60 minutes. Edges set, center slightly jiggly. Turn off the oven, crack the door, and let it cool inside for an hour. Remove from the oven and water bath, then cool completely on a rack. Chill in the fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight for best results. This slow process gives you that creamy, dreamy texture. Patience pays off. Don't rush it. The hardest part is waiting, but it's worth it. Soon, you'll have a slice of summer perfection. Let's finish with a dazzling glaze. Get ready to make it sparkle and dazzle. Heat half a cup of watermelon puree with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Bloom a half packet of gelatin in 1 tablespoon of cold water, then stir it into the warm puree. Cool the glaze until just warm. Pour over the chilled cheesecake, tilting the pan for an even, glossy layer. Top with mini chocolate chips for seeds while the glaze is still tacky. Pop it back in the fridge for 30-60 minutes to set. The result? A stunning, shiny finish that looks straight from a bakery. This step takes your cheesecake to the next level. It's the final touch of summer magic. Almost ready to serve. Get ready for the big reveal. Let's slice and savor. The excitement is palpable. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. For perfect slices, dip a sharp knife in hot water and wipe clean between cuts. Run the knife around the pan, release the springform, and lift away. Admire those gorgeous layers. Crust, creamy filling, pink watermelon, and glossy glaze. Plate each slice and garnish with fresh mint for a pop of color. Get ready for the oohs and ahs. This dessert is a showstopper. Take a bite, crunchy crust, creamy cheesecake, refreshing watermelon, and a hint of chocolate. It's summer in every bite. This is what happiness tastes like. Share with friends, family, or just treat yourself. You've earned it. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. This is a dessert to remember. Savor every bite. Summer never tasted so good. Congratulations, you did it. Watermelon cheesecake perfection. Share your creation on social media and tag us. You can even share in the comments below. We love seeing your masterpieces. Did you add your own twist? Did your family love it? If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious ideas. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a new treat. Thanks for watching and baking with us today. Remember, cooking is about joy and sharing. Keep spreading the love, one slice at a time. We'll see you soon for more kitchen adventures and sunny days. Until next time, happy baking!